Hello friends, welcome to Developers Tube channel. My name is Ismail Saudagar and today in this video we are going to discuss about .NET framework and its components. So let's go to our topic.
Friends, before going to our topic, I want to say you that please subscribe to my channel. I'm watching that people are seeing my videos but not subscribing. Friends, subscription gives me a new energy for making the videos. So I request you that please subscribe.
So before understanding .NET framework, we'll understand first what is framework. A software framework is a platform that provides a structure for developing software applications. It's a template of working program that can be modified by adding code. Frameworks can help developers save time and effort, reduce errors, simplify debugging, and be adaptable. Now, what is .NET Framework? The .NET Framework is a software development platform that was introduced by Microsoft in the late 1990s under the name NGWS. NGWS stands for Next Generation Windows System. On 13 February 2002, Microsoft launched the first version of the .NET Framework, referred to as the .NET Framework 1.0. Now we'll discuss what are the components of .NET Framework. .NET Framework have the following components: CLR, CTS, BCL, and CLS. CLR stands for Common Language Runtime, CTS means Common Type System, BCL is Base Class Library, and CLS is Common Language Specification. Common Language Runtime. It is an important part of a .NET Framework that works like a virtual component of .NET Framework to execute the different languages program like C Sharp, Visual Basic, etc. A CLR also helps to convert a source code into the bytecode, and this bytecode is known as CIL, Common Intermediate Language, or MSIL, Microsoft Intermediate Language. After converting into a bytecode, a CLR uses a JIT compiler at runtime that helps to convert a CIL or MSIL code into the machine or native code. CTS, Common Type System. It specifies a standard that represents what type of data and value can be defined and managed in computer memory at runtime. A CTS ensures that programming data defined in various languages should be interact with each other to share information. For example, in C Sharp, we define data type as int, while in VB.NET, we define integer as data type. Base class library. The base class library has a rich collection of libraries, features, and functions that help to implement many programming languages in the .NET framework, such as C Sharp, F Sharp, Visual C++, and more. Furthermore, BCL is divided into two parts. BCL is base class library is divided into two parts. Number one is user-defined class library. Assemblies. An assembly is a code library that contains compiled classes and structs, as well as reference to other assemblies. Assemblies are also called as a unified set of capabilities formed by combining types and resources. It contains either the DLL, that is Dynamic Link Library, or exe file. In DLL, it uses code reusability, whereas in exe, it contains only output file or application. DLL file can't be open, whereas exe file can be open. DLL file cannot be run individually, whereas in exe it can run individually. In DLL file, there is no main method, whereas exe file has main method. Number two here is predefined class library. Namespace. It is the collection of predefined classes and methods that present in .NET. In other languages such as C, we use header files. In Java, we used package. Similarly, we use using system in .NET, where using is a keyword and system is a namespace. Common Language Specification. CLS stands for Common Language Specification, which is a set of rules and restrictions that programming language must follow when running under the .NET framework. CLS is a subset of Common Type System, which defines the rules for declaring, using, and managing types. CLS is designed to support language constructs that developers commonly use and to produce verifiable code. CLS defines rules for naming conventions, data types, and method signatures. This ensures that languages that use the .NET framework can communicate with each other and use each other's code. For example, if a C# program uses a method with a specific signature, it can be used by a VB.NET program or any other language that uses the .NET framework. So this is all about .NET framework and its components. At last, I want to say that thank you and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.